This is our new Xbox One.
Just got it today. We're going to show a quick unboxing, all the key features.
Notice that the games, the cases are littler than the Xbox 360 cases.
Got the Connect.
Consists of the Connect,
User manual.
headphones,
Pretty nice cheap headset.
some cords.
Here's the new controller. Nice.
Notice that the plug-ins consist of plastic things you take off now.
Comes with a pretty decent size HDMI cord.
A huge box you plug into the wall.
Gigantic power block.
And this is the real part right here. Consists of a lot of cords.
Pretty decent sized cord, so you can move it wherever you want. Here's the Xbox. Unbox.
Notice that when you get the new Xbox One, you get 500 gigabytes with it. Comes with an HDMI cord too.
Obviously. Pull it. It's pretty decently sized. It's a monster size. Bigger than the cable box almost. Here's the front. USB port. Here's your back.